Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to create a status bar in Odoo 19 form view. Upon moving on to the university module and entering the university students application, you would be able to see that we have different status such as the draft, approve, rejected and done. So we need to create the same status bar in our custom module. So let's see how can we do it. To create a status bar, first we need to define a field under university application and the field type is selection. Upon moving on to the pie chart, here we have the university application and you can see that I have created a field called state where field dot selection, and the selection field will be having different state such as a draft, approve, you can set it as approved and rejected and done state. So you would be able to find the done state, and I just want to show this string over here as status bar. So once it's done, we need to define this field inside the XML file in order to get the view. So you can see that as you just move on here, this status bar comes right above the sheet and it comes as a header, right? So I just want to make like this, and you can see that when you just choose the status bar over here, currently it's showing draft, approve and done. So I just want to only show these fields right now, and upon rejecting only I just want to move into the reject state. But altogether there are 4 states, and all those 4 states been added right now in our university application .py. Now we're gonna make it available over here. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the field. So here let me remove the class. I don't want to add the class, and let me remove the widget and let me name the name of the field, which is state. Okay, once it's done, you can just set it over here. As we just want to treat this as header, I'll be opening the header tag over here, and let's close the header tag and use Ctrl+A, Ctrl+Alt+L, and let me run it. And once it's done, you can just move on to your university application, and under the apps you would be able to see that we can just upgrade the module. While upgrading, we need to wait for a while because every changes need to be loaded into the database. So it's loading over here, and it will be indicated with a loading label over here. And you can see once it's done, you can move on to the application, and when you choose your record, you can see that a space is been given over here, but the status bar is showing like this. Why is it so? It's because we haven't defined the widget. When you provide a widget, it will be showing with a proper way. Currently it is showing as a field, right? So in order to avoid this issue, let's move on to the pie chart, and here let me define the widget. And as I just choose the widget over here, you can see that we need to provide the widget as status bar, and I don't want to show the label. So I'll be setting it as no label equal to 1. Okay. So once it's done, again you can run it, and afterwards you can move over here, and we need to make all the changes in our database. For that, we again need to upgrade the module. Now move on to admission application, and from there again choose the record, and you can see that currently we are getting the result over here. So currently you can see that it is in 10 state, and this is not clickable. I just want to set a state in the draft as default. So currently you can see that none of the states are being selected over here. And I want to just set the, whenever I just try to create a university application, it must be in draft state. And if I just want to change the state, I can make it change over here. So for that, let's move on to the PyCharm again. And in the university application, first, let me add the parameter called default over here, and let's set it as draft. Afterwards, you can move on to the university application views, and in this case, I just want to set it as clickable. For that, I'll be choosing a parameter called options. And once it's done, you can see that we need to open the curly braces, and inside that, I'll be providing a key called clickable, and it has got the value as 1. So when you just set it as 1, you can just click it. Okay, so here right now clickable, and here we go. So currently you need to provide, if you just want to make it as clickable, you need to use the parameter called options, and there you have to define like this. Okay, in a dictionary you will be providing your value. Once it's done, you can see that when you just run this, all the changes will be taking place over here. You can move on, and again we need to make this all the changes available in our database. For that, you need to continue with the process of upgrading the module. And once it's done, you can see that whenever you just enter into a new creation of the student application, it will be in the draft state as a default. And you can also just make the status bar clickable. So let me consider this, and here you can see that currently it's clickable, and you can just change it. Now, as I just move on with new, you can see it is in draft state. So currently you can see that we can find all the status over here, such as draft, approve, rejected, 10. I only want to show draft, approve, and 10 whenever we try to create a university application. If it fails, or when a student is rejected only, I just want to show the rejected status over here. So by default, we only want to show draft, approved, and 10. In order to do that, we can move on to the PyCharm, and from here again, I'll be making the status bar visible. Okay, so we can choose the other parameter called status bar, not like this, status bar visible. Okay, so once you have just done with it, you can provide the value. You can just define the selection fields which you just want to show, draft, then you want to just show the approved. Okay, so ensure that you have provided the proper spelling, and here we have to show the 10 state. So once it's done, you can just run it, and you can see that what I'll be doing is I'll be moving over here, and under the apps, upgrade. So we need to wait for a while. And here you can see that we'll be getting the result that upon moving on to admission application, when you choose it, you can see we can only find the draft, approved, and 10 state. Now, in the next video, we'll be discussing about how to create the button, and upon clicking on the button and applying the condition, how to show the rejected field, and all will be discussed through the upcoming video. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Now, what if I tell you you could use your Odoo sales application, inventory, CRM, or any of the Odoo application right from your mobile? Yes, meet Mobo, where Mobo takes your or manage your sales, inventory, CRM anytime and anyway, takes your business much easier by making or taking it from the mobile. So if you want to get the Mobo, you can just download it from Play Store and App Store. So thank you for watching the video.